Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Life, where learning English is simple and relaxing. I'm Linda.
And I'm John. It's great to be here with you today.
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. It really helps us a lot.
Yes, please subscribe and like this video, especially if you like food and restaurants.
Oh, food and restaurants. That sounds perfect for today.
Actually, Linda, I'm already a little hungry.
Really? Hungry already?
Yes, I'm thinking about food. A big hamburger, some fries, and a cold soda.
That sounds delicious. You're making me hungry now, too.
Sorry, but maybe that's a good idea for our podcast today.
Yes, it is a great idea. Let's talk about going to a restaurant.
Let's talk about going to a restaurant and speaking English. It can be easy and fun.
Exactly. So today we'll talk about English conversation at a restaurant, step by step.
Great. Let's imagine I am the student. I want to go to a restaurant and speak English. What do I do first?
Okay. First, you are at the door of the restaurant. You open the door, you go in, and you see a person. This person is the host or the waiter.
Right. So what do I say?
You smile and say, "Hello," or "Hi."
Hello. Simple. I can do that.
Yes, you can. Then you need a table. So you can say, "A table for two, please."
A table for two, please. That's if it's me and you.
Exactly. If you have another friend, you can say, "A table for three, please."
So I say, a table for, and then the number of people.
That's right. For example, "A table for one, please," if you are alone.
Okay, let me try. Hello. A table for one, please.
Perfect. Then the waiter will probably smile and say, "This way, please," or "Follow me, please."
And I follow the waiter to my table.
Yes. You sit down at the table, and now, what is the first thing you need at the table?
The food.
Almost. Before the food, you need the menu.
Ah, yes, the menu. The menu shows all the food.
Exactly. The waiter may give you the menu, or if you don't have it, you can ask for it.
How do I ask for the menu in English?
You can say, "Can I have the menu, please?"
Can I have the menu, please? That sounds very polite.
Yes. Please is a very good word to use in a restaurant. It is friendly and polite.
Okay, so I have the menu. I open it. I see many words. Starters, main courses, desserts, drinks.
That's right. Starters are the small foods you eat first, like soup or a small salad.
I like soup. Tomato soup is good.
Me too. Then you look at the main courses. The main course is the big dish, the main food.
So the main course is the big food, like chicken, fish, pasta, or a hamburger.
Exactly. And at the end, we have desserts. Dessert is the sweet food you eat last, like cake or ice cream.
I love dessert. Chocolate cake is my favorite dessert.
Chocolate cake is a great choice. And finally, drinks. Drinks are things like water, juice, or soda.
Perfect. I know the words now. Starters, main course, dessert, and drinks.
Great. So now the waiter comes to your table. He has a small notebook and he smiles. What does he say?
He probably asks, "Are you ready to order?"
Yes, that's a very common question. Are you ready to order?
And I can say, "Yes, I am."
Exactly. You can say, "Yes, I am," or "Yes, please," if you are ready. If you need more time, you can say, "Just a minute, please."
That's useful. Just a minute, please. Okay, but I'm hungry. I'm ready. So I say, Yes, I am.
Great. Now it's time to order your food. This is the fun part.
How do I say it? Do I say, I want a hamburger?
I want is okay, but a more polite way is I would like or I'll have.
I would like. That sounds nice. So I can say, I would like the hamburger, please.
That is perfect. The waiter will understand that 100%.
I would like the hamburger, please. Good. And you said I can also say, I'll have.
Yes. I'll have is short for I will have. You can say, I'll have the hamburger, please.
I'll have the hamburger, please. That sounds very natural. I like it.
So let's practice a short conversation. I am the waiter and you are the customer.
Okay, let's do it.
Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I am. I would like the tomato soup to start, please.
Okay, tomato soup. And for your main course?
I'll have the hamburger, please.
Excellent choice. And would you like anything to drink?
Yes, I would like a soda, please.
Perfect. So that's 1 tomato soup, 1 hamburger, and 1 soda.
Nice. That feels like a real restaurant conversation.
Yes, and it's simple and polite. Now, after you order, you wait a little. You can talk with your friend, and then the food arrives.
The best moment.
Yes. The waiter brings the food and says, "Enjoy your meal."
Enjoy your meal. And I say, thank you.
Exactly. Enjoy your meal. And you answer, "Thank you."
So my hamburger is on the table. It looks so good.
And my salad looks fresh and tasty.
During the meal, maybe the waiter comes back to the table.
Yes. The waiter might ask, "Is everything okay?"
And if the food is good, I can say, yes, it's delicious. Or, yes, everything is great. Thank you.
Perfect. Delicious means very, very good.
My hamburger is delicious. What if I need more water?
Good question. You try to make eye contact with the waiter. When the waiter comes near, you say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me, to get their attention. And then what?
Then you say, "Can I have some more water, please?"
Can I have some more water, please? Or, can I have some more bread, please?
Yes. Or, "Can I have another soda, please?" These phrases are very useful and polite.
So the key is, excuse me, and then, can I have, please?
Exactly. That structure works for many things.
Okay, I finished my delicious hamburger. I am very full and happy.
Me too. My salad was great. Now the meal is finished. It was wonderful. Now it's time to pay.
Ah, the bill, the money part.
Yes. Again, you get the waiter's attention. You say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me, and then I say, can I have the bill, please? Or, can I have the check, please?
That's right. Bill and check are both okay. In the US, people say check more, but everyone understands both.
So I can say, the bill, please, or the check, please. Both are fine.
Yes. The waiter will bring a small piece of paper with the total price.
And I can pay with cash or with a credit card.
Right. If you are not sure, you can ask, "Do you take credit cards?"
Do you take credit cards? Good tip. And when I give the money or the card, I can say, here you are.
Here you are. Very natural. Then the waiter takes your payment and brings it back.
And that's it. I am ready to go.
Yes. You can stand up and, as you leave, you can smile at the waiter and say, "Thank you. Goodbye."
Thank you. Goodbye. That's a nice way to end.
It shows you liked the food and the service.
This feels much easier now. The phrases are short and simple.
Yes. Phrases like, a table for two, please. Can I have the menu, please? I would like, I'll have, enjoy your meal, and can I have the bill, please?
And always please and thank you.
Always. Politeness is very important. It makes everyone feel good.
I feel more confident now. I think I can go to a restaurant and order in English.
I know you can, John. And everyone listening can too. Just start simple. Order something you know, like a cheese pizza or chicken and rice.
That's a good idea. Don't choose something with a very long, difficult name at first.
Right. Keep it simple, be polite, and smile. A smile is understood in every language.
A smile and please. That's my new strategy.
It's a perfect strategy. It will work every time.
Before we finish, Linda, I have a question. What is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Oh, I love pasta. Any kind of pasta. Pasta with tomato sauce is my favorite. It's simple and always delicious.
A classic choice. Very nice. What about me, besides a hamburger?
Yes, besides a hamburger. What do you like?
I really like pizza. A big pizza with cheese and mushrooms.
Pizza is a fantastic choice. Now I am thinking about pizza.
See? We always end up hungry on this podcast.
It's true. But I hope our conversation today was helpful for everyone listening.
I hope so too. Remember, practice is important. You can practice at home with a friend or family member.
Yes, one person can be the waiter and one person can be the customer, just like we did.
It really helps. And don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's okay. People are usually friendly and will help you.
That's a very important tip. Just try. People appreciate it when you speak their language.
Exactly. So, I think that's a lot of useful information for one episode.
I agree. It was a delicious episode.
It really was. Thank you all so much for listening.
Yes, thank you. We hope you feel more ready to visit a restaurant and order in English.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next episodes.
And please share this video with anyone who is learning English. It's a great way to help them too.
For today's comment, please tell us, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Yes, tell us in the comments. Is it pizza, pasta, a hamburger, or something else?
We look forward to reading your answers.
Thank you again for joining us.
Until next time, keep practicing.
And keep smiling.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye for now.